Hey guys, I want to share with you today a little secret, a little tip on how to get rid of mold. How to get rid of mold. So let's talk about this, guys. Now you see this picture that we have here. This is a home we got a while back, where you see there's mold. It was leaking in the bathroom. The good thing about it, and this, I want to say this before we even get started. This secret will not work if the issue is not fixed. If the source of the water leak, of wherever the water is penetrating inside the home, if this is not fixed, all you're doing is putting a band-aid on the problem, on the wound. We have to fix the wound. So this solution worked because they replaced the roof, but they just never had a chance to replace the sheetrock in the bathroom. So many people would look at this and say, you know what, man, I have to replace all the sheetrock in here. But do you really? Do you really? I'm going to show you how to remove the remote mold, whether it's behind a wall or when you see like here in the ceiling. Show you a trick that I use. Let's look at some more of these pictures. You can see, I mean, there's a lot of mold, and I want you guys to remember also. You see things like this, put on a mask. If you, especially you're doing work with mold, put on a mask. Ventilation is key. Um, you don't want that stuff getting inside your system. So definitely wear a mask. Let's look at some more of these pictures. So you can see it was kind of bad in here. So to the untrained eye, they would look at it and say, you know what, this is too much. But again, here's another secret. This is where you go to the seller and say, hey, this problem is bad, even though in the back of your mind, you know that you can fix it or you have a remedy for it. But your seller doesn't know this. So, hey, Mr. Mrs. Seller, this will take me a lot of money to repair this. It's really bad. I mean, I'm gonna have to get in here and do all kind of work. I mean, it's just another negotiating point that you can have up your sleeve to get the price down. Again, you never run away from these situations. These are just negotiating points that can help you get a better price. So I'm just flipping through these pictures. Here's another home also that we did. You can see right here around the wall, here at this wall. So, and a lot of times with these mobile homes, guys, moisture kind of always gets in around the windows. I don't know what it is. It's either they're not sealed good, or the seal just begins to wear over time. But it's just always somewhere around the windows. This is where you get your water penetration. So, well, let me go here. So how did I get this removed? Let me show you guys. Let me show you what you need. And again, this will not work if you do not fix the problem where the water is coming in, because it will continue to leak and you will continue to get mold. So let's look at this. Let's look at our solution here, guys. Right here. This is what you want. Right here, guys. In fact, I have some here. Mold armor. You can get this at your local Home Depot, guys. And I mean, this thing works wonders. You'll see the results we got. This thing is awesome, guys, and it's just $8. $8 bottle. There's another bottle that's pretty good. This right here is pretty good also, guys. Mold control. I've used both of these two. It's $7 bottle, $8 bottle. It's pretty good. Mold armor. It kills mold, mildew. It stops it from it, and it's a stain remover. That's the great part. Because again, like I showed you with these other pictures, a lot of people see this and they like, man, I have to replace this whole thing. But this mold armor, guys, it's a stain remover. It removes those black spots. It kills the mold. It stops it from growing. So it's very powerful. Let's look at this other one, mold control. Now this is a little bit more expensive. This is 15, $14 bottle, $15 bottle. So for 30 bucks, guys, you can get your problem solved. And this is how you apply it. You see that this was on the ceiling. So either you can spray this on a rag or some type of towel, or uh, let's look at these mops. You can use one of these Swiffer type mops to get the job done, guys. I'm looking for uh, you can either use the Swiffer mops, but there's another one uh, that's similar to a Swiffer mop. It has a cotton head on it, and you can spray it. Let me just click on this and see if I get the recommendation. Let's see, it's microfiber mop. Yes, here we go. Here we go. So one of these type of mops, you just spray the mold cleaner on here, mold remover on this mop head, and you can use the handle to again just uh, rub it across the walls. And I mean, this thing works great, guys. So that's your solution. Let me show you the results of what we got. Let's go back to this screen. Uh, let's go back to this screen, guys. Show you what we're looking at. So you see here, well, I'm gonna show you this screen because had one of our phones, lost all of our pictures and stuff, guys. I had pictures, but I have pictures of this one. I'm gonna show you another. I had a video of that mobile home that I just showed you with the mold in the ceiling, so I'll show you that shortly. But this is the same issue. Now look after we sprayed it. You see a little spot, but it's completely, totally different from this. Look at this, guys. Before, after, before, after. Big difference, guys. If you don't know what you're looking at, you would think you would have to replace this whole wall or do something different. But this mold control, it really works, guys. So let me show you the video of our first project, the first home. And this is it here, guys. You saw how the black spots are all over. And the lighting looks bad here because the power wasn't on, but you can see we sprayed it and wiped it, and there is no more black spots in the ceiling, guys. Big difference. And sometimes you can paint this, come with kilts, and to really seal it in that protection. But it's all up to you. But I just want to share that with you guys. How to remove mold cheaply and effectively. Um, I mean, this thing is powerful, this mold control. So I hope that this was beneficial to you guys. Just want to share that with you all. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more of these tips. A lot of people want to know about flipping mobile homes. And this is just one of the secrets you use. So if you want to learn more, again, visit the website, mobilehomeinvestingsecrets.com, where we actually go through a case study of how we actually flip the home inside the course. So if you want to learn more, definitely check out the link. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Okay? Bye bye.